How to enhance photo quality in Canva. So first go to Canva and then just open up the design. And then for example, this is the photo that I want to enhance. So you can just click on the photo itself and then click on edit here at the top. Next is you can use two things here. There are two things that I use in every time I enhance a photo. You can just click on adjust here at the top. And then you can just click on auto adjust. Okay, just click on auto adjust and then the images will automatically adjust. Let's say I want to click on auto adjust again. I'm not satisfied with this. You can just click on auto adjust. As you can see, now it's much brighter, right? And you can just click on, you can just keep on clicking on auto adjust until you're satisfied with the results. Or you can just adjust the colors yourself manually here. So let's say I'm going to adjust the vibrance here, the saturation, then the sharpness as well for a bit. And then if you don't want to use the auto adjust here, you can just click on reset adjustments. Then let's go back, and then there is an image upscaler here, so the quality is much better. So you can just click on image upscaler here, but you need to have a Canva Pro here. So if you want to up the pixels of this photo, you can just click on it, edit, and then you can just click on image upscaler, and then it'll automatically enhance. Okay, it'll look much sharper than this and much better quality. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.